Hello friends, now we will perform a DOE experiment. As you remember from the previous slide, we have selected two factors, grinding wheel RPM and workhead RPM. So there are two factors and their level will be high or low. So we have selected high RPM and low RPM. For grinding wheel RPM, high is 35,421 and low is 29,333. For workhead, high RPM is 1000 and low RPM is 800. So as you know from the previous slide, to perform a full factorial experiment, it is 2 to the power k. In this case, our factor is 2. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. So there will be a 4 combination. So how 4 combination come? As you can see from the table, first A is positive and B is negative. Then A is negative, B is negative. And then third condition, A positive, B positive. And fourth condition, A negative, B positive. Positive or negative means high or low. So we have tested this experiment in shop floor and record the taper for each combination. That is, for first it is 8 micron, for second it is 4 micron, and for third it is 7 micron, and for fourth it is 5th micron. So first of all, we will consider the main effect of grinding wheel RPM A. As you know from the table, that is A is 2 times positive, means 2 times high, and A is 2 times negative, that means 2 times low. So we will take the average of A minus and A plus. As you can see from the table, the A minus average is 4.5 and A plus average is 7.5. So we will draw in a graph. At positive it is 7.5, at negative it is 4.5. So we can conclude that at high RPM the taper is high and at low RPM the taper is low and the slope is 3. So there is a big difference when we move from positive to negative. Now we will consider the main effect of only workhead RPM. So similar, workhead RPM is 2 times positive and 2 times negative. We will take the average of B minus and B positive. That comes out to be 6, and for the positive it is also 6. So the slope is 0. So when we change the RPM from low to high or high to low, the difference is same. So there is no change in temperature. Now we will look at the combined effect of A into B, that is grinding wheel RPM and workhead RPM, means interaction effect of A and B. So when will be A into B is minus, so at the first condition and at the fourth condition A and B is minus. When will be the A into B is positive? At the second and third condition. So we'll take the average of both the condition. So the average taper is for A into B minus is 6.5 and for A into B plus is 5.5. So as you can see from the graph, when we move from positive to negative, there is a difference of 1. So what we can conclude from the main effect and interaction effect, it is that the main culprit is grinding wheel RPM and we have to optimize it toward lower side to minimize the taper. So with the help of DOE experiment, we concluded that grinding wheel RPM is to be optimized toward lower side.